njengoba ingane ekhalayo awukhale ke konke uzobona nami ngizokhala khala azama ukukhala nami ngizokhala yaboneka into engiyiplanile manje bengamtshela uTire ushoti ukuthi ama producer awayeke ukudla ama full chicken 2 eggs aconzayo and then 2 brown toast no ram behlise ngamanzi
Sure. Yes.
Yes. No, now. 2 eggs and then 2 brown toast and then a month. I'll see you later, you big head. I'm come see. Kunje, we are Lord. Punch. Boy. Not like this, boy. I know, not like this. Okay. Yo, Kunje. No. Like, check here. I'm full, eh? I don't complain. I see dinner started. That's a long year. I feel like I'm seven. So, I'm not making yeah, new music. Okay, very serious. Okay, new music. Okay, new music. Nothing for them. So to most record like only. Let's record now. Say I can't. Let's come now. So now. Oh, what a pressure to. Oh, plus sponge say put the leg. As they go cut a sponge man. Very hambela. Very funza and so on and so on. So I still so that level as funeral. Like tell me in Julia, SARS tell me in and out. I want to shop in and out. Last funeral who let the penny name Dava. Also I go yes, such a chance. My melrose arc. So it was on the juice. C'est fresh. Tu as ça logo aussi. Tu as c'est fresh, c'est son passage. Yeah, boy. Stop tinting your totolos, boy. Musu bambi totolos akwenza manje. Stop tinting your pipe, boy. Leave that pipe alone. Look at bambi look kuze totolos yakhe long nose. Ask him for sponge. Please, boy. Stop it. Don't do this. Ay, boy, abesha batala, abesha. Ay, abesha batala, boy, abesha. Abesha batala, ngeke, abesha. No, relax, batala. Ngeke, water sponge. No, abesha sumoya batala, abesha. There's a baby. It's a one guy to be active, Rajo. Sponge. Ngoba usedla izambane. Away izambane ayithi abajona wanye ungathuma sibuye emithingini kuye sewasha izitsha. Sibuka nje washa izitsha useyakorobho. Useyisula izitsha. Naku baba. Hoyibu izambane li strong lezi ngane ezidomi ihlakaniphe. Yabo nje usedla imesh manje. Imesh potato. Oh Lord, ukuhlakanipha we.
One thing about Mampintsha is the fact that he truly loved his wife, Babes Wodumo, and their son, Sponge. So those were some of the most cutest and adorable moments of him with his family that's left on the internet. You guys, wishing Babes Wodumo to stay strong for their son, Sponge, during this difficult time. And may Mampintsha's soul rest in peace. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.